Do you want to be able to turn any website into an app on your phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys just one trick that'll go ahead and make any website feel like a real app. Starting off, we're going to want to go ahead and open Safari. So we're going to want to find Safari, which is on our home screen. Another way to find this app is we can scroll down and open the search bar. Go ahead and type Safari. And as you see at the top, we have the same app. Go ahead and click on that Safari. It'll take you to the same screen. And now you can see we're at our Safari homepage. Unfortunately, this is only for iPhone, as you do need Safari, so sorry Android users. For our next step, we're going to want to tap the share icon, and then we're going to scroll down and tap add to home screen. Now that we're on the Safari home screen, we're going to want to go ahead and search up the website that we want to go ahead and create into an app. So at the bottom in the search bar, go ahead and type the website that you use a lot. Me personally, I use ChatGPT, so I'm going to want to create this one into an app. Now that we're at the ChatGPT screen, at the bottom you should see an icon that has like a square with an arrow coming out of it. We're going to want to go ahead and click on that and then scroll down, and we're going to want to locate add to home screen. This is where the magic's going to happen, because this will allow us to create a custom app icon for our website. For our next step, you're going to want to name your app and then click add. Now that we're at this point, all that's really left to do is naming our app. So for YouTube purposes, I'm going to go ahead and name this ChatGPT YouTube. So I'm going to type that in. And then at the top right, you'll see add. We're going to want to go ahead and click that. And then boom, as you see, we have a new app added to our home screen. If I go access this, as you can see, it takes me straight to the website, and I don't have to go through all that tedious typing and going through Safari. And then for one last tip, if you guys would like, you don't have to do this, but if you enjoy for aesthetic purposes or just want a nice looking icon, you can go and put your own custom icon. And I'll show you guys how to do that in the next step. For our next step, we're going to want to go ahead and use custom icons. This step is optional. In this final step, we are going to want to be using the shortcut app. So if you don't have this installed already, go ahead and enter the App Store and install it. Let's go ahead and access shortcuts. At the top right, you should see a plus icon. Click on that. Now we should see a search bar at the bottom. Go ahead and access that, and we're going to search up open URL. Go ahead and click on that. Now that we're here, you're going to want to click on the URL box. Here we're going to want to paste our link from our Safari. So if you don't have it, let's go back, copy that ChatGPT link, go back to the shortcuts, and then we're going to paste it in the URL box. Now at the top, you should see a drop down arrow. We're going to want to click on that. Once we access this, you should see options. We're going to want to go ahead and name our app. So I'm going to go ahead and name it like I did last time. I'm going to call it ChatGPT YouTube for YouTube purposes. Now once I finish typing that up, I'm going to want to click done. Then we're going to go back into the drop down, and we're going to want to click on add to home screen. Now that we're here, you can see all the different colors, you can see all the different symbols. But if you want your own custom image, we're going to want to click on the left where you see the photo icon, and then go ahead and choose photo. Now once you've chosen your photo like I have, and you have your own custom icon, you're pretty much done. You're just going to want to go ahead and click add in the top right. It's going to add it to our home screen, and as you can see the difference, we have the old ChatGPT YouTube and the new ChatGPT YouTube. If I go ahead and access it, you can see it works and functions just like the normal website. And there you go, guys. That's all you need. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys and made your lives easier. If this video did help you all, please feel free to drop a like down below. Also feel free to subscribe to our channel. It'll help us grow. We appreciate all the support you guys give us. We're going to continue to keep making bangers every week. Thank you guys so much. That's Nerd Kernel out.